Here from P-Town Monkey, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the color of your classes in Black Ops. Alright, so first things first, you're going to need a few programs. Modio and Xero. You're going to need those two. I will have a download link in the description, so you can download them there. And now we're going to head over to the Xbox, and I'm going to show you how to move your profile onto your USB. Alright, here we are over at the Xbox, and I'm going to show you how to move your profile onto your USB. This isn't that hard. If you watch any of my other videos, it should be pretty easy. So you just want to go to My Xbox, go all the way over to System Settings. Now, what you're going to want to do is go down to Memory, Hard Drive, Gamer Profiles, and go to the profile in which you want to mod the custom class colors. Alright, then click Move. And it's going to ask you, before moving, you have to sign out, say yes, and then move it to your memory unit. If you have not used your USB before on your Xbox, you're going to have to configure it, which isn't hard. I'm sure you guys can figure out how to do that. Alright, so now you can just back all the way out of this, and you can turn off your Xbox. Alright, now we're going to go back over to the computer. See you there. Alright, YouTube, we're back over here at the computer. We just moved our profile onto the USB, and now you should have it plugged on the computer. If you haven't, plug your USB into your computer. Alright, and you're going to want to open up Modio. Alright, now go down to Explore a Device, File, Open, let it load. There we go. Alright, and click on your profile. As you see here, mine is Sniping Guru. Profile storage, profiles, and then you're gonna see this E something something something. You can just click and drag that onto your desktop like so. It's down there. Alright, now you can close this out. Now you want to go to Open a Save, and now you want to open up your profile like that. So this is loading up. You want to go to File, Contents, and scroll down until you see the GPD file that ends with a 55, like this one right here, 4156085. That's Call of Duty Black Ops. So you're going to click that, right click it, extract file, and extract it to your desktop. Alright, there it is. Now you can just go ahead and minimize this out because we're going to be using that later. Alright, now you're going to want to go into Xero, which is in my programs. Here it comes. Alright, here it is right here. Just go ahead and click on Black Ops GPD editor and minimize this. Alright, now go open. And you want to open your GPD, and so just type in 4, select your desktop, and select GPD. Now hit open. Now it's gonna open up all this stuff, and it is this is, I think, Zombies campaign, and your multiplayer on Xbox Live. Now you will see here some stuff. This prestige, what prestige are you? None of that works. All that is patched, and I wouldn't go messing around in here too much unless you knew what you were doing. You can also set your clan name right here, but we're talking about our custom classes. So here you're gonna see set custom class 1. So if you want to do a color, it's just like any other color encoding. You want to hit shift with 6 and do the little caret top up followed by a number. So I'm gonna do 1, and then I'm gonna type in I don't know, I'm gonna type in fast. Alright, and then this one right here, this custom class 2, you can see it has an up arrow and it says Marine Corps outside. This is quick scopes, so you can just change this to anything you want. There's any number, I think it goes all the way up to 9. So any number you want. I'm just gonna go down the list. Now you can add buttons too. What you have to have EasyGT, which is in program the mod your gamer tag. You have to have that, and you just copy and paste the code into here. What I'll do is in the description and in the download, I will put a key for all the colors and the buttons, so you can just copy the buttons and put them in there. Alright, so here we go. This is it, last color. Gonna add so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for my 7 classes for different colors. Alright, now what you're going to want to do is just hit save. Saved settings successfully. Close this out. You can go down here and you can close X0. Now you want to go back in the Modio to where this was and right click, inject file into root. Alright, now go back to the desktop and select your GPD. This file name already exists. Would you like to replace it? Hit yes. And then go to File, General Info, Rehash and Resign. It should say Rehash and Resigned. Do it maybe once, twice. Just so you know, Rehash and Resigned. Alright, now all you have to do is click Save to Device. And it should ask you where do you want to save it to. Just hit select, saving profile, and now you can exit this out, and all this right here you can just go ahead and put it in the recycling bin. This if something goes wrong, your profile corrupts, you can always put it back in the Modio, rehash and resign it, or recover your account, so it's really nothing to worry about. Alright, so that's done. I'm gonna see you back over at the Xbox. Alright, see you there. Alright, we're back here at the Xbox. This is gonna be the final step of the tutorial. So what you're gonna want to do is sign into the profile you modded, which in this case is Sniping Guru. You're gonna want to sign into that. And this does work online. You can't get in trouble for it, can't get banned. As far as I know, I've had mine modded since the game came out and haven't got banned, but I am not responsible if something happens. So don't blame me if anything were to go wrong. It's not my fault. Um, so this is going to go ahead and load. Mine's going to go straight into multiplayer. And what you're going to do is just select Xbox Live. Let it do its stuff. Now, let's go player match or whatever. Now, what you're going to want to do is go to create a class. And as you see right here, they all change colors. And I have my fast, my Marine Corps outside, my quick scope, Marine Corps inside, Marine Corps camp, and my brother's class. Alright, so as you see, they work. It's pretty cool to have. It's just a nice little, I guess, something you can add. It's pretty cool. That's the tutorial. Hopefully you guys found it helpful. Uh, Rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and